Hello guys, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about have and have got. Before moving on to the topic, please do subscribe my channel for further videos about English and about other interesting subjects. So let's come to the point. The first sentence is we have 4 cars, and first the same, we have got 4 cars. Sarah has toothache. Rocky has got blue eyes. And if we make it negative, like we don't have 3 cats, the third one, we have not got 3 cats. But in have, we can use negative, like they didn't have a football, but we can't use had in negative. Like I can't say this, that they had not got a football. The fifth one, did you have a book? But I can't use its interrogative. I can't make, so it is impossible, but it's informal. If it's possible to, but it's informal. Like if I make the sentence in had you got a book, but it's informal. So let's know about its note. The below one, like here have and have got mean the same thing, the same meaning. We can use both form, but have got is informal, is more informal, so always use have. And point to be noted that we don't use have got in short answers. So never do such kind of a mistake and never use have got in short answers. And the last note is we don't often use had got in the past. Like I have the 4 sentence I have explained you, like they didn't have a football. So now I can't make its negative by such kind of method, like had not got. Now I can't say this, they had not got a football. It's totally, I mean, meaningless. We can't use it. And the same we can't use in interrogative as well. Did you have a book? Now it's not possible in interrogative to use had, like had you got a book. It's, I mean, meaningless. It's informal. I hope you have gotten today's lesson. If you have any query, you can ask in comment section, and please do subscribe my channel for further videos. See you in next video. Take care of yourself.